Today we're at the CIT new digitally enabled Woden Campus. Historically, departments or areas or industries had certain wings of the college or campus, where here it's intertwined and we're integrated across multiple faculties. So you really see from hospitality through to cyber, through to your creative industries. We've got hairdressing, beauty therapy, music rooms, photography. We've got an AV production theatre. We're all together and you cross over a lot more. It's a really nice feel. With the transition to Woden, we saw that as an opportunity to uplift our digital transformation journey. We had to ensure that the spaces were familiar to the teacher, no matter which room they would be allocated to deliver their offerings outside the specialty spaces. No matter where you move through the campus, you get that familiar technology and that familiar layout.
All of the spaces here cover a very wide gamut of disciplines, but we wanted to ensure that regardless of what space you were walking into, you were familiar with the technology, how the technology worked, and it was easy to work with. They're very much a Cisco-centric house as the core of the technology that we're working on. Everything that we designed into the systems, therefore, had to follow on from that initial design philosophy.
The LG screens and how they integrate with the Cisco equipment gave us the confidence that this was the right product to create a great learning environment for our students and enabling our staff to have the best equipment in their rooms.
The LG displays are ubiquitous throughout the entire project. There's everything from a little 43-inch in an open booth area all the way up to 95-inch touchscreens. Most of the spaces typically will have dual screens at the front. One will be a standard display. Next to that will be a TR3 interactive display. We also have a tertiary display at the back of the classroom for displaying remote participants. The entire LG line works really well. We've used their displays on multiple projects. They have a really good range. They kind of cover off most use cases that we come across, which is a really great thing, particularly on larger projects.
They're all scaled to size for the relevant space, so the LG panels play an important piece in our puzzle.
Another reason why LG worked really well in the environment was the integration with Cisco, particularly around the monitoring requirements. So that direct integration between Cisco and LG gave us the confidence that not having a team on site was not going to throw up any issues.
We don't have an AV department, so that's why we had to build an ecosystem of products that was self-monitoring. So having this seamless integration with two key technology partners, it makes life easier, and ultimately it's all about the student experience. You see the students here, they're smiling, they're happy, it works. It's different.